Here we come to the elevator at the Sears store here at the Coral Square Mall in Coral Springs, Florida. Elevator sign.
Excuse me.
It is a Montgomery.
Are we taping it?
Yes.
We can't.
Why not?
Because this is a private establishment, my dear.
Private establishment?
Yes. It's a private store. Okay?
I'm just doing it in my own words.
I understand, my dear. But you can't tape it.
I'm just doing it one time. Just
Listen, I wouldn't tell you not to do it if I didn't have to. Okay? It's because it's a private store. Listen.
It's a private store.
Stop it,
yes.
please. Okay.
I will stop it when I go back down.
Okay. All right. So let's go back down. Okay.
Okay, two. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Back down one.
Is this for your schoolwork?
I just wanted other people to watch it.
Okay. Well, you can't.
Here's the elevator sign. I'm just going down the one.
This is downstairs. Oh, let's go back downstairs. Okay.
Yep. I'm just doing it just one time. They remodeled this elevator and look at the lights. Here at one, certificate of operation. Okay, here at one. Here it goes, and that's it.